Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Animations pane and selecting the object that misbehaves. This reveals applied effects and timing. Once visible, inspect the animation order and use the reorder arrows to correct sequencing, because order determines what runs first. Make sure the start setting is intentionally set to on click, with previous or after previous. Changing this fixes many glitches. After adjusting, preview the slide to confirm the change. Keep iterating until the sequence looks correct. Next, focus on timing and effect properties. Select an effect and set duration and delay so animations don't overlap or feel rushed. Once done, open effect options to control motion path direction, text animation by word or letter, or attach sounds. These settings explain why an effect appears wrong. If an animation still fails, ungroup or break complex shapes into separate elements and animate each part. That reduces conflicts. Make sure to preview after each change to verify the visible result. To finish, run slideshow on the actual display and use presenter view to confirm timing and triggers under real conditions. Different monitors can alter playback. If an effect still misfires, replace it with a simpler animation. Complex effects are fragile, and simpler ones are more reliable. Finally, save a duplicate version before major edits so you can revert quickly if new changes introduce errors. Troubleshooting tip: if animations behave inconsistently, clear animations and reapply them in the corrected order.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.